Everybody, my name is Palash and today I will tell you a poem, Earth Our Guardian. Let us start. We have sun, we have trees that give us light and shade. We have mountains, we have rivers to give us water and snow. Water keep us cool. Trees give us oxygen and shade. 7 continents, 5 oceans are our pride. Keep the ocean blue, keep the continents clean, and animals safe. Come on, everybody, join hand to hand together to say, come on, go green. No to plastic, clean the shore, use 6R to recycle, reduce and remove and refuse to make our planet